Hey there, one of the most common questions I get at Simple Green Smoothies is my smoothie never looks as creamy as yours does, Jen. And I wanna show you how you can do this no matter what kind of blender you have, because it's possible to get a creamy green smoothie every time with these quick tips for you. So tip number one, use spinach. So a lot of recipes use kale. Kale is a little harder for blenders to pulverize and get really smooth. So if you want the creamiest smoothie, use spinach. Tip two is when you are using a standard blender, so if you don't have a Vitamix or a Blendtec or even a Ninja where you can put everything in it at the same time and blend it smooth, that's okay. You can use a blender such as an Oster. This was one of my first blenders that I've had. And what you do to get a creamy smoothie with that is start with your spinach and your liquid base. Today I'm using water. Don't add any fruits, don't add any superfoods, anything like that yet. You wanna focus on getting these leafy chunks blended up into as smooth as possible. So let's see how it goes. Okay, I don't know if you can tell, but that is pretty much green juice at this point. No more leafy chunks. So now is when you can add in your frozen fruits, your fresh fruits, blend up for the next step, and come out with a smoothie that is smooth. All right, until next time, peace, love, and leafy greens.